Alright, excuse me. So the timer for the water bath sous vide just finished. So it shows the temperature here, 141.8 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 minutes left. Apparently it just keeps going. I thought it would like turn the heat off or something. Maybe the heat is off, I don't know. And it's probably just circulating the water still. So anyways, I had these flaps go in as you saw if you saw my other videos. So we're gonna open this, let all the water drip off. Okay, so these ribs have been in here for 24 hours, though I did take them out a little bit, one of the bags, and tested it. So this one bag, this one here, I already took it out a few times, once after 6 hours and another time after 12 hours. So we're gonna see how they changed. When I took them out earlier, they were really chewy still. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so I'm gonna take this bag out. Alright, let's see, it's hard to do this with one hand, but last time what I did was, ooh, that's hot. So, take that out. It's not boiling hot, but it's like a hot, hot bath, hot springs. So, okay, so I took that out. Alright, we're gonna open this bag up. Okay, let's see if I can do this with one hand. I don't know. There we go. Okay, I'm going to take this out. So I cut about 4 ribs off that, so there's a small piece there. But anyways, I'm going to take the larger one out, and then I'm going to air fry it for 5 minutes, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so let's do that. Hopefully I didn't spill anything into the water bath, because then I'm going to have to clean that all up. But, ooh, the meat is, I can tell, it's a lot softer now. So here we go. Sorry, I'm going too close. Alright, so I'm going to take this out. I'm going to set it down here. Alright, let's move this back out of the way. So here we go. Alright, so I know it doesn't look that good right now, but watch this. Just kidding. Alright, I'll see you in about 5 minutes. I'm going to set this timer. Alright, and play. Alright, so I'll see you in about 5 minutes. Alright, so here they are. I did a half of a rack of ribs. I guess the air fryer, because it was just a large piece, I probably should have flipped it or something. But it looks like most of the heat was just blowing on that one spot. So here you can see this one bone started coming out. Came out like that. It's still, they're still like stuck in there, so let's cut it open. I only need one of those ribs though, so let's see here. It's hard to do this with one hand. Oops, sorry, there we go. So here you can see, looks cooked all the way through. Let's try some of the meat on the side here, if I can. Alright, there's also some bone in there. We'll see. I think this might be too hard to chew, but we'll see. Because after 6 hours and 12 hours, this was too hard to chew. And those were smaller pieces, so let's see this one. It turned out... Sorry, I'm talking with my mouth full. Turned out pretty good. These are just regular Costco ribs that they pre-season. I didn't add anything to it. I was able to chew through this cartilage. I like to eat those. Most people just throw them away, but I like it. So, yeah. But they turned out pretty good. So I'll eat this with some rice, and yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. I know it's not very good photo production quality, but yeah. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.